My name is Abdullah Ahmed Hussein. I am one of journalists who works in Somalia, especially private journalist. And also, I am one of the students who work in Somali National University Media and Communication Science. I would like to participate UNDP program Storytelling. Here is a place that we work. So I would like to see our studio. Let's go. Here is our studio. We have camera, lights that we are using to present our programs. This is a disc of news. Here we have a background. This is another background that we are showing a morning program. So we have a different background that we are presenting of different information. I hope to be part of the young activists in Somalia those are participating of this workshop. I think if I take this program, it makes me someone that can do effective storytelling. And people those are listening my program may be satisfied what I do. So I would like to say thank you to the institution that allow us to participate in this program.